India today. And when you see this big, you were one of the early entrepreneurs, you were a pioneer in some sense, but when you see this new lot of entrepreneurs, how are they different from your generation and what advice
I'm
would
an
you give
accidental entrepreneur. I never, when I was a
them? An
kid,
accidental entrepreneur.
absolutely. When I was a kid, my mother would take me to astrologer and they'd say, you know, he'll be a big industrialist. So I used to laugh. I come from a regular academic background, and so I used to laugh. So really, I'm an accidental entrepreneur. The kind of people I meet today are much more driven. Uh, they have bigger dreams than I have. Some of them are also much more talented than I have. I had better backgrounds. They have an ecosystem that supports them. So I see that I genuinely believe that they are more enterprising, and some of them may fail. And I have a problem in India that we do not put a lot of shine around people who fail. We put too much gloss around people who succeed, but the people who try and fail are also very, very important. So I generally find them more bright, more driven, uh, more wanting to change the world. You know, I have very narrow goals. I find their goals sometimes very audacious.
Okay.
And definitely the age of them is, you know, I met people who at 18 done 2 companies, at 22 done 3 companies, some not so successfully, but the fact is they tried. I mean, I became, as I told you, an accidental entrepreneur. So really in my case, these guys are making serious efforts. That's what they want to do.
Right. What is their biggest weakness?
I'd say 2, because I mentor a lot of startups. I have invested in some startups. I'd say 2. One is they are not interested in connecting; they're interested in networking.
I see.
So I make the distinction because so they'd like to come to a party. They'd like to meet a lot of people, but I don't know. I feel they connect on a very superficial level. Maybe it's one generation looking down on a younger generation, which always happens. I'm sure my parents feel that. And, second is I think sometimes, uh, they don't keep basics right. For example, I wrote in a column in Entrepreneur. I don't know if it exists. I coined a term called the introduction capital. I have introduced lots of people to lots. I've never charged a fee from anyone. Sometimes I find them very commercial. If they do something for you, they want money. When you do something for them, they want it free. And they don't keep basics right. For example, if you introduce to them, and if they've got a big contract, they don't inform you.
I see.
So, I think the 2 things is that these are the 2. Otherwise, they are better than me in every aspect.